freaking out. He's like, I don't want to go anywhere.
Come on, Charlie.
Are you ready?
Poppy, are you filming this?
Nope, I'm not filming.
You want to see Santa?
That's
Hey.
Poppy. Joaquin, look. Look! Santa Claus came!
What's that? What's all that?
Oh, no, that's a straw. Come on. What's that? Look! See, that's right, that's right, that's right. You can try it with the bike. Get on it, little man. Let's get on it. Wow. Wait, a little bit.
Wow.
Wait, right there. This one right
Yeah,
here.
he's not gonna know how to do it.
Put it. There you go. There you go.
Wow, Joaquin.
Get your feet on there. Get your feet back on there. And we're gonna pedal. We're gonna pedal. Come on.
Too much.
Yeah. Come on.
Let him try to figure it out.
Here we go. Push. There we go. Push it.
Bike. A bicycle.
He's like, whoa, I didn't sign up for this. I didn't sign up for the
An
helmet.
attack of activity.
Wait. Let's get it on.
He's gonna lose
Don't
it.
pitch his little fat chin.
All right. Ding. Ring the bell.
You're gonna get his little fat chin.
He's not gonna like it. He's not gonna like it. He's gonna freak out.
There you go.
Bicycle.
Joaquin.
Bicycle. Wow. Bicycle.
A little Red Rider.
Joaquin.
The other way. That's the wrong way. Do that. Yeah, here, let's do it again.
Pumpkin, look what else. Look,
This
do you
part.
see the train? Do you see the train?
Oh my
Forget
goodness.
about it.
Can we take this helmet off? Wait, let him wear it for a minute. It'll be cute. Train.
I can't. I gotta let it. Let's just get a little picture of him with it on.
Do you see
Wow.
the train? You're not saying wow, wow,
Oh
wow?
my goodness.
Do you see the elephant? Train?
Ooh.
Car? Wow.
Yeah, the cars get to ride on the actual road.
House?
The car on the actual road. The school bus. There's the road over here. One tree down.
Oh, wow, Pumpkin, wow. Did Nona get her wow?
Not much. Walt got a whole lot more.
That was 45 minutes after he opened it, by the way. That wasn't the first time he saw it. He, like, revisited it and just was like, I
What are you
can't believe
talking
my
about?
luck.
That thing Walt sent, where he went, wow, lost his mind in wows.
Okay. It's going to be too long to send anybody.
Joaquin, look.